Hey guys, I'm Danielite. In this video I show you how to layer my RAWSTYLE lead using my SERUM RAWSTYLE Soundset that I released yesterday. It's on FL Studio, so I'm still new to using FL Studio, but yeah, let's go. First of all, how it sounds. I will show just leads, I will not show the bass and this kind of stuff. First of all, I'll start with this. Just this. Actually, I use this one for the chords usually. There is nothing special going on. This actually don't play any huge role tell, just for atmosphere. Okay, let's start from the first lead. Is this Alive 2, and just what I tweak is legato always, and somewhere around 10 o'clock. And what I did on the channel is boosted a little bit of the highs and dynamic mid-range. This low end cut. Then second lead is detuned hell. And here I tweak it, just took the release down. The channel, I again boosted a little bit the mid highs and low cut. Added some OTT to bring some color. And for the final lead, I used attraction lead. There I boosted at the mids little bit, and nothing else. Low cut. You don't need a lot of the stuff for these leads. You can really easily layer those. I will add this project file to the RAWSTYLE package. Have a fun, guys.